and welcome to NK English Academy. Today I am going to teach you how to write an informal letter. Informal letters are letters written to family, friends, relatives and close acquaintances. Hence, they have informal and personal tone. Casual language is used in these letters. When do we write an informal letter? We write them to convey some message, to congratulate, to just keep in touch, to send a condolence message, to invite, to describe an event, or to thank. Things to remember when we are writing an informal letter. The language is informal but polite. Format to be followed. There is no fixed format, but there is a general convention which we have to follow. No grammatical or spelling error. Language to be respectful and friendly. The purpose of writing must be clearly mentioned. Format of the letter. As I told you earlier, there is no fixed format for informal letter, but still there is a convention or a pattern which we generally follow. First, we write the address of the writer, that is the person who is writing. We generally write the address on the left top corner of the paper. The address should be accurate and complete. Even when we are writing to close friends or relatives, the address must be written so they can reply back to the letter with ease. If the recipient of the letter is in another country, do not forget to write your country as well in the address. Then comes the date. After the address, leave one line and then write the date. This allows the reader to have a reference as to when the address was written. Next comes salutation. I'll talk about it in detail in a short while. Then comes body of the letter. This is the main part of the letter. Introduction sets the tone of the letter. It states the purpose of writing the letter. Begin with asking the health of the recipient, or begin with saying that you hope the letter finds them in good health. Next, main content of the letter. This talks about the main purpose of writing the letter. Choose the language and wordings according to whom you are writing. If you are writing to elders, the language must be polite and respectful. If you are writing to a friend, then you can be very casual. Next, conclusion. In this paragraph, summarize the letter. Convey your regards to the recipient's family members. Bid a suitable goodbye. Write that you will be eagerly waiting for the reply, or invite them to come to your house. Then comes subscription, where you will sign. Now I will tell you the different types of salutations you can use depending upon to whom you are writing the letter. If you are writing the letter to your parents or grandparents, then you can greet them, dear mom, dear dad or papa, dear grandma, dear grandpa. If you are writing a letter to sister, brother or cousins, then you can write dear sister, dear brother or dear, and then you can write the name of your cousin. If you are writing to your friends, then you can write dear and the name of the friend. If you are writing to your uncle or aunt, then dear uncle or dear aunt. If you are writing to an acquaintance, then it's different. If you know a person well enough, then you can say dear Mr. or Mrs. or Miss followed by first name. If you are not familiar with the person, then dear Mr. or Mrs. or Miss followed by the last name. Now let's see an example. Write a letter to your aunt thanking her for the gift she gave you on your birthday. The golden retriever pup which she had given is adorable and very cute. Tell her that you always wanted to have a pup like this. Also mention the name you had given to the pup. Now let's read this informal letter. Rajat Patel, 2/156 Kalyanpuri, Pune, 8 September 2020. Dear Aunt, hope this letter finds you in the best of your health. Thanks a lot for gifting me a golden retriever pup as my birthday present. It's one of the best birthday presents I got on my birthday. We named him Jimmy. He is adorable and very cute. He loves to play with me all the time. I take him out for a walk every day in the morning as well as in the evening. Convey my regards to Uncle. Please do come and stay with us during Dasara holidays. You will surely enjoy playing with Jimmy. Once again, thanks a lot for the wonderful gift. Yours affectionately, Rajat. Hope you have learned how to write an informal letter. Now there is an assignment for you. You are Rajita. Write a letter to your friend about how you are spending your days during pandemic, attending online classes. Express your views about online classes. Also ask her about her daily routine.